Hi, welcome to Glories of History. Introduction. Throughout history, many figures have shaped the world and left a lasting impact on society, science, and culture. Their remarkable achievements, wisdom, and courage continue to inspire generations. Among them are Albert Einstein, a visionary physicist who revolutionized our understanding of the universe; Prophet Muhammad, a spiritual leader whose teachings continue to guide millions; Nelson Mandela, a symbol of peace and justice, who fought against apartheid in South Africa; and Sir Isaac Newton, a mathematician and physicist whose groundbreaking work laid the foundation for modern physics. These individuals, along with many others, have made indelible marks on humanity's progress and continue to influence us today. Prophet Muhammad. Prophet Muhammad, born in 570 CE in Mecca, is regarded as the last prophet in Islam. His teachings, compiled in the Quran, emphasize the oneness of God, compassion, and justice. Muhammad's message has inspired billions of people worldwide to pursue righteousness, peace, and social justice. His leadership not only transformed the Arabian Peninsula, but also shaped the religious, political, and cultural landscape of much of the world. Albert Einstein, 1879 to 1955, is one of the most renowned physicists in history. Born in Ulm, Germany, he spent much of his life in Switzerland and the United States. His contributions to theoretical physics, especially the theory of relativity, revolutionized our understanding of time, space, and the universe. Here are the most important details about his life and major innovations. Theory of relativity, 1905. Einstein developed the special theory of relativity, which revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and energy. It showed that the laws of physics are the same for all observers moving at constant speed, and it led to the famous equation E equals mc squared, showing the relationship between energy, E, and mass, m, with CE being the speed of light. General theory of relativity, 1915. This theory expanded on special relativity and introduced the concept that gravity is a result of the curvature of space-time caused by mass and energy. It provided a new way of understanding gravity, which was later confirmed through experimental observation, such as the bending of light by gravity. Photoelectric effect, 1905. Einstein explained the photoelectric effect, which is the emission of electrons from a material when light shines on it. This work contributed to the development of quantum theory and earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. Brownian motion, 1905. In his work on Brownian motion, Einstein provided evidence for the atomic theory of matter by showing that the random motion of particles suspended in a fluid was caused by collisions with molecules of the fluid. This was one of the key pieces of evidence for the existence of atoms. Cosmological constant, 1917. In an attempt to maintain a static universe model, Einstein introduced the cosmological constant into his equations of general relativity. Though he later abandoned it after discovering that the universe was expanding, it has regained interest in modern cosmology due to its potential role in dark energy. Nelson Mandela was a South African anti-apartheid revolutionary, political leader, and philanthropist who served as President of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. He was the country's first black head of state and the first elected in a fully representative democratic election. His presidency marked the end of decades of institutionalized racial segregation and discrimination under apartheid. Mandela was a key figure in the struggle against apartheid, which was a system of racial segregation enforced by the white minority government in South Africa. He was arrested in 1962 and spent 27 years in prison, mainly on Robben Island. Despite being imprisoned for so long, Mandela remained a symbol of resistance and unity for the oppressed people of South Africa. International diplomacy. Mandela played a key role in improving South Africa's global standing post-apartheid. He worked to rebuild international relations and ensured the country's reintegration into global organizations like the United Nations. Isaac Newton was one of the greatest scientists in history. Born on December 25, 1642, in Woolsthorpe, England. He is considered the founder of several branches of modern science, particularly in the fields of physics and mathematics. His groundbreaking discoveries laid the foundation for the scientific revolution. Some of his most important achievements include laws of motion. Newton formulated the three fundamental laws of motion, which laid the groundwork for classical mechanics. These laws describe how objects move and interact with forces, and they remain crucial to our understanding of the physical world today. Universal law of gravitation. Newton proposed the universal law of gravitation, which states that every mass in the universe attracts every other mass, with a force that is proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. This theory revolutionized our understanding of how planets and objects move in space.